It's been a while since we had any coverage from Tesla's Fremont Factory. Our attention and the attention of Tesla enthusiasts has been with the Berlin Gigafactory, with the recently built Austin Gigafactory, and the ramp up of production of Model Ys there. So we are all interested to see how many cars they're producing at the Berlin and Austin Gigafactories, and with the reopening of Shanghai Gigafactory. But there are interesting things happening at Tesla's #1 factory, the Fremont Factory. Tesla's Fremont Factory is running at 10 to 20% more capacity, securing what Global Equities says a monstrous quarter. So let's see how this securing of this huge quarter is going from Tesla's Fremont Factory. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here the first time, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and give us thumbs up if you find this information useful. Tesla's Fremont Factory is running 10 to 20% above capacity, securing high delivery rates. Second quarter is shaping to be Monstrous Quarter, said Global Equities, affirming the buy rating on Tesla shares with a 2,300 price target. To be honest, I don't like to use these kind of words like monstrous quality. Don't use the word monster, that's not a good thing, but instead use like huge quality, beneficial, financially better quality, and things like that. Not like this. So anyway, 10 to 20% above capacity, helping what we lost at Gigafactory Shanghai when it was closed almost like a month or a little bit more than a month. Global Equities research analyst Chowdhry visited Tesla's Fremont Factory again and was pleasantly impressed, writes the Tesmanian in its coverage. He continues to talk about strong support for the manufacturer despite the recent decline in the price of Tesla shares through their sale by Elon Musk in connection with his purchase of Twitter. Before I go any further, I want to make a disclosure. I am not a Tesla shareholder, I am not in stock market, I'm purely reporting news for you to make better decision based on information available. According to his observations, Chowdhry is confident that Tesla Fremont Factory will provide extremely strong production, shipments and deliveries in May 2022. In his report, the analyst said he saw a lot more trucks compared to the first quarter of 2022 and estimates that Tesla has increased the number of transport trucks by at least 20%. This is good news because when we look at the gigafactories, we want to see how many trucks are on the loading area, how many trucks ship every day. This talks about numbers and the ramp up of production. That is why he suggests that Fremont Factory is running 10 to 20% above capacity and comments that second quarter is shaping to be a monstrous quarter. This increase in production capacity is due to the fact that Tesla is trying to compensate for the lack of production at Giga Shanghai. For 3 weeks, as I said in the beginning, for 3 weeks in April, the factory was closed due to this lockdown in China. In Shanghai precisely. While production is now up and running and back up to more than 80%, as I reported yesterday, or it was the day before, the company still needs to work hard to make up for the lack of production during this time. I mean, look at this. If you have lost 3 weeks of production at Gigafactory Shanghai, how fast and how hard you're going to need to work to make up that lack of production of Model Y and Model 3 from Giga Shanghai. It's hard to do it immediately, but it's good to see that Fremont Factory is coming to help. So according to Elon Musk, the company expects to be able to produce roughly the same number of vehicles in quarter 2 2022 as it did in quarter 1, despite this lack of production for 3 weeks. But it is possible to see even higher numbers. Now this depends on the demand and Tesla's marketing. Despite the difficulties and production shutdowns, Tesla expects to produce 1.5 million vehicles this year. This means by the end of the year, we may have some good news from Tesla. Chowdhry retweets that his buy recommendation on Tesla stock with a target price of $2,300. What do you think about this, friends? What do you think Tesla's Fremont Factory's 10 to 20% increase can do with considering the lack of production from Giga Shanghai for 3 weeks? Let me know your thoughts, friends. And also, if you have noticed recently, I've tried to improve the video production at Torque News YouTube channel. So I would like to hear your thoughts. How are things going? Do you like the new format, the shorter videos maybe? Let me know. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and like this video if you like the information. Have a great day. See you soon in our next report.